Did you know that microorganisms are present everywhere in the environment? A type of microorganism can be in the family of bacteria. We've been told that all our lives that bacteria are harmful microorganisms that we need to scrub-a-dub-dub off our bodies. However, according to Medline Plus, did you know that only less than 1% of bacteria is considered harmful? Who would have thought? We've only been taught about this small percentage and disregarding the rest. Today, I will present to you the types of good bacteria, the areas where bacteria can grow and thrive, and jobs of some of the bacteria. As my first point, I will explain what bacteria is and some of the examples of good bacteria. According to an article by Radhi Sagar from Live Science called What Are Bacteria?, made in 2019, states that bacteria are microscopic single-celled organisms that thrive in diverse environments. Bacteria can also come in many different shapes and sizes, from rods called bacillus, spherical, which is called coccus, and corkscrew, which is called spiral. A good type of bacteria is called the probiotic, which is defined by an anonymous person in their peer-reviewed journal called the All Mueller Vitality Drinks and Yogurts have been enhanced with prebiotics. These act as good foods or good probiotic bacteria, which was made in 2005, states that probiotics are good bacteria that can maintain the balance of good and bad bacteria in the digestive system. Other examples of good bacteria include Lactobacillus, which are rod-like shaped, Bifidobacterium, which are branch-like, rod-like, and Staphylococcus aureus, which are circular. With these bacteria, they can grow in numerous places, from soil to ponds to even our own bodies, obviously. The second point leads to areas where bacteria can grow and make the normal body flora. As an example, bacteria can reside in our respiratory system. According to an article by Kelly Malcolm from Michigan Health Lab called Bacteria and Healthy Lungs Linked to Immunity, dated in 2018, states that these microbes can be found near the main cardia, which is at the end of your trachea where it branches off into your airways of your left and right lungs. And a study conducted by them with mice, it shows that bacteria in healthy lungs actually play a very important role in helping ward off diseases. Like an example, Lactobacillus is found in the respiratory system, and it can help prevent lung infection. Another place where bacteria can be located is in the mouth, where some bacteria can help with food digestion in the mouth and even halt or limit food erosion. As my last example, and bacteria can also be found in the digestive system. According to an article by Sivaganam's journal titled C-Section Formula May Disrupt Good Gut Bacteria in Babies, made in 2013, states that lactobacilli and bifidobacteria support the concept with the ability to modify the gut microbacteria with their beneficial roles. And also stated by Radhi Sagar, they also state that some strains of E. coli and Streptococcus can also help with digestion and help develop the immune system. Since we now understand where bacteria can reside, we can now go into depth with what bacteria can do for us and what we can do to boost their productivity. Firstly, bacteria can help with our immune system. According to the National Center of Health Research, it states that white blood cells can police the body and look for infections and limit the number of bacteria growth in our body. But bacteria also does the same thing for white blood cells. It keeps the white blood cells in check and not to use too much force. Some bacteria can also have the ability to protect our bodies from infection diseases, such as lactobacilli, which can help protect us against some cancers, and like Bifidobacterium, which can relieve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Secondly, in the digestive system, this National Center of Health Research also states that the bacteria can break down carbohydrates and toxins in our bodies, and they can also help absorb the fatty acids which help our cells in our bodies grow and thrive. Even though bacteria does an amazing job, but we still need to help them work their ways. As according to the Harvard Health Publishing article called Can Gut Bacteria Improve Your Health?, made in 2016, states that eating fermented foods, using fewer antibiotics, and using probiotic supplements can help your body safe for bacteria. All in all, there are good bacteria and there are bad bacteria. Having certain good bacteria in your body can help your overall natural flora. Bacteria such as Lactobacillus and Bifidobacteria are good for your body. They're most commonly found in your respiratory system and your digestive system, and obviously your mouth too. These bacteria can have jobs functioning from your immune system that can help fight off bad bacteria and viruses, and can even aid in your digestive tract and help digest your foods. Eating right and avoiding lots of antibiotics will help your good bacteria flourish. So take care of your body, and your bacteria will take care of you.